Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, I've been wanting to film this video for the longest time. This is the 2022 INFINITI QX60 Autograph. This is the top of the line trim for the new QX60. When we first got them, they went in 2 days. They were gone. I mean, we had deposits on them before they got here. But it's just, these things are flying off the shelves, and this one has been here for all of 2 days, and I wanted to film it because it's probably going away today. So, this one's mineral black over saddle brown, has a sticker price of $66,310, which honestly, that's a bit of a bargain for 66 grand. Look at this. You have this beautiful stitched leather autograph here. In case you don't know, if you want a pass-through, you take this off, reach, where's the handle? There it is. Reach in there. It's a little handle right here. This can come right out, and then you have a pass-through, so you can, like if you have lumber, or if you want to walk through between the second and third row, you can do that. And all of a sudden you just boom, boom, the cover right back on, and it's good to go. That is ingenious. I really hope more manufacturers incorporate that. Panoramic sunroof, heated seats in the rear, of course. Massaging seats, Bose Performance Series sound. Wow. Rewinding satellite radio. Look at this stitching on this dash. It is gorgeous. Heads-up display. Then you can change your meter view. All right. Backup 360 camera. Let's go for a drive in this thing. That's one way to start it. Oh, and she had kids. Oh, come on. Come on, people. Oh, I'm late to drop the kids off. Oh, gotta run stop signs and go in front of people. That's great. And now I'm gonna be hypertensive for the whole day after that, because this is their only autograph. And no, that was scary. I will say that 9-speed automatic makes a world of a difference. That was the one thing I did not like about the previous gen QX60. A luxury SUV should not have a CVT. And they listened. They're like, all right, 9-speed automatic it is. And it's a good transmission too. It's not like they just put the dated 7-speed in it. No, they put what I believe is a brand new Nissan transmission in this car. Obviously it's shared with the Pathfinder, but this one has different tuning. You know, and that's the other thing too. The previous gen QX60, you could really see its Pathfinder roots showing through. This one is different enough where I'm not feeling like I'm driving a Pathfinder. It drives completely differently, and it's just super comfortable. Hit set, steering assist on, and now you have Pro Pilot Assist. Best part is it's steering assist, so if you input, it's not going to throw the system off. It works with you. It's an assist. That's the way it should be. You shouldn't have to fight the system to drive a car. That's my biggest downside with Tesla's autopilot. If you want to make small adjustments, it cancels autopilot. It's like, really? Now listen to how quiet this thing is. For under $70,000, this is probably the most refined SUV on the market. I said in the Sensory video, the QX60 Sensory, because now I've driven all 4 trim levels, I said this dethrones the Kia Telluride as my favorite 3-row SUV. Yes, the Telluride's cheaper if you can find one without a markup. Although there are some dealerships that are charging a markup on these as well, rightfully so. But these are brand new to the market. The Telluride's been out, I think, almost 2-3 years now. And some dealers are still charging $10,000 over sticker, which is frankly absurd. But these are good. And the thing is, with the Telluride being marked up 10 grand, I'm like, haha, no, you're absolutely overpaying for this. What's the sticker on this? $66,000. For $76,000, if the sticker was $76,000, I would look at that and say, yeah, it's a little steep, but honestly, I'm okay with it. That's where this car is. That's how good this car is. For even with a $10,000 markup, this car would still be seen as a bargain and cheap for what you're getting. And that takes a lot to do. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.